you're welcome back to Ying's Ladies Place. My name is Tinka. Thank you for the love and support in the previous video. Wow, thank you so much. Please kindly subscribe to the channel and continue to like the videos. Let's go straight into today's tutorial. This is the sleeve we are working on. Is divided into two parts, the inner one and the layered on top. So we are going to be cutting the inner one first. First, fold your fabric into 4 folds. We are cutting the two ends of the sleeve together. So measure down your cap height and the length of the sleeve and extend the line. I used 13 inches for the length here. On your cap height line, measure your armhole length with the same allowance and connect it back to the top of the sleeve like so to get your armhole curve. Then on the length, you measure the round sleeve measurement plus your allowance and connect the point back to the cap height like so. You can also use your hand here in case you don't have the French cuff. Then you cut this out. The inner sleeve is ready. Put your notches like I've done here. So the next thing is to cut the layered on top of the sleeve. That is the second part of the sleeve. Fold fabric into 4 and place the inner one on top of it like I have done here. Find the midpoint of that piece, roll it down just like the way I'm showing you here. Then on this point that you make, measure 5 inches. Measure 5 inches and place the sleeve like I have done here. Then you trace the shape of the armhole and bring it back to the top like I have done here. I believe you can see that. It's very easy if you follow the step. So the next thing you are going to do is to extend the length of the inner sleeve by 4 inches. Extend it by 4 inches like I've done. Then you measure the length you have there and you will rotate it like I have done here. So you rotate whatever length you get there. Here I got 22.5 and you can see me rotating it to measure the 22.5 all around. Measure your 22.5 inches all around like I have done here. And then you are going to cut this out. The inner piece is there and the layered on top is now ready. This part I'm cutting is the one that is going to be right on top of the inner piece. That is the layered piece. So you cut the shape of the armhole that you have like that. And we are done cutting. You want to make sure that your side seam are equal. So before you cut it out, you may want to first cross check. Check the inner piece with the side seam and be sure they are equal. Then you put your notches. So that's me checking whether my side seam are equal. If they are not, I may need to trim it a little, but they are equal. So we are going to start sewing our sleeve. First, measure 3.2 inches on the cap height line. That's where the pleat will start on the inner piece for the armhole area of your sleeve. Then this is what you have after notching. You place the right side of the sleeve, the end part, match it with the end part of the inner sleeve, the two ends, match it together and pin at the center. You are going to be pleating the layered sleeve on top of the inner sleeve. So you start first, you sew 1 inch because I added 1 inch for the allowance. Then you start pleating. Make sure you distribute your pleats evenly. You distribute your pleats. All the excesses, make sure you pleat them right there and distribute it evenly. When you get to the midpoint, you continue sewing all the way to the end of the sleeve. If you are watching this, you will understand. So make sure you distribute your pleats evenly. So I'm done sewing the hem like that. So the next thing you want to do is to sew the sides together. You sew the sides. Yeah, you sew the second side as well. When you're done sewing, you flip it to the right side. Then now you finish the armhole section. First, match the center point of the armhole together. That armhole cuff. Measure them together. Then on the side seam, you sew till you get to the first notching that you have. When you get to the first notching, then you start pleating. Make sure the pleats are distributed evenly till you get to the midpoint. You pleat like that. When you get to the middle part, you pause and you go back to the side seam. You use your hand and run the side seams together, let them align till you get to the second notch. Then you will now pleat from the midpoint back to the place where you have your notching. When you finish pleating, then you sew it all around back to the side seam of the sleeve. Then we are almost done. The next thing now is to attach the sleeve to the bodice. So this is how you are going to join the sleeve to the body of the dress. So you match the armhole together with the shoulder. That's armhole cuff, the center of it, you match it with the shoulder seam. Then you start your sewing from the side seam. You sew it all around the armhole area. Fix your sleeve. I believe you all know how to insert our sleeve, but I just need to show us this. Make sure you take your time. You don't need to rush it. When you're done fixing the sleeve, you overlock. Make sure you overlock so that you can neaten the place. Then you sew the sides of your bodice. So from the sleeve hem like that, align everything together. Let the armpit of the sleeve align together as well. Then you join the side with your allowance. And that's it. Our sleeve is ready. Yeah, we are done making our beautiful sleeve. And here is it. So beautiful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Oh, then if you practice the sleeve, please, you can send me your results on my WhatsApp number. I'm leaving it right there on the screen. And also, if you have any observation or any question, please just leave the comment in the comment section down below. Thank you. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.